Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a wall-mounted beer opener. As you can see here, you can mount it on the wall, you can place it on the floor if you want to nail it on the ground. Looks really nice, it does the trick. So what you will need for this project is a bottle opener, which you can buy online. It's not too expensive. If you buy 10 of them, it costs you around 20 bucks. You also need some Plexiglas, which can be bought at any local store. 2 screws, which you probably have at your house. Maybe 8 to 15 nails, just like a nice piece of wood with some a decent coloring, like maybe some white pine, anything cheap, and any finish that you can find at any shop. So first things first, you want to cut down your piece of wood into different sizes. So you can use any saw. Saw would be much faster. So these are the sizes that you want. You want 4 pieces: a base, sides 1 and 2, and the bottom. So you want to make sure the bottom is of length the base plus the width of both sides. So in my case, the base is 3.5 inches, and each of the sides have 0.75 inches in width. So adding them all together, that gives me a total of 5 inches. So that was the length for my bottom piece, and all the other ones you can basically eyeball whichever length you prefer. So in my case, I took around 4 inches in height, like something that, like a nice box that could probably hold like at least 40 caps, so you don't have to remove the caps too often. So your next step would be to sand the corners of each piece to make sure they're nice and round and they won't cut anyone that touches it. Then you want to apply some finish on all your pieces. So in this case, I use this type of finish, but any finish would work. You can just go to your local store and ask for a finish that's good against liquids or against corrosion, as in the beer. So your next step would be to create your piece of plexiglass. So you want to make sure your plexiglass can fit in between both sides. So your plexiglass basically has to be the same width of your main base piece, which is basically your entire piece of wood, to make sure that it fits through. In addition, you want to add some little nails on the side to create a little slot for the plexiglass to slide in. In my case, I use nails, but if you have any other piece of equipment, or if you can like cut grooves inside the sides, that would even look nicer. But I do not have those equipment, so I just went up with some simple nails. It looks nice and it does the trick. Now you basically have to assemble everything together as seen here in the picture. Once everything's assembled, you can screw it on the wall, nail it on the table, whichever you prefer. And I think this is a great project to do, as it's quite simple. You don't require that much material, and it does the trick. It looks really nice too. If you add a good type of finish, you can even paint it if you want, if you're more of an artistic type of person. And so the reason why I'm doing this is because I need to collect some beer caps for a project I'm doing. I'm trying to create a beer pong table with beer caps, and that video might be coming along soon, but I mean most likely in a couple months, because I'm still behind on caps. I currently have a little under 1,400 caps. I need around 1,700. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching and have a great day.